I get a lot of satisfaction making parts that can't be made anywhere else. A lot of what I do is really different every day. I'll come in and sometimes I'm cutting parts on the laser, turning parts on the lathe, or sanding parts, bending parts, welding parts. It's something new every day. I've been with LCRA about 16 years now. As a welding designer, it's given me an opportunity to make parts that will go into Central Texas and just improve the lives of so many people. I really enjoy seeing the faces of customers that come in to pick up the part that I've made and just been blown away by its quality. And I take a lot of pride in it. It's a really great place to work. I'm Tony Blossom, I'm a welding designer, and this is my office.